Hello， 大家好，歡迎收睇實拍實說，我係大理星哥 Regan。今日咧就會帶大家去講我哋之前去過嘅大學，就係 Griffith University 啦。咁 recap 下啦 ，Griffith University 咧其實係一間 Queensland 嘅大學嚟嘅。咁其實喺昆士蘭省入面咧有好多個 campus。咁上次帶大家去咧就係佢哋嘅 Gold Coast Campus， 今次咧就係去佢哋 Brisbane 嘅 campus 叫做 Nathan Campus。好，而家帶大家去睇下啦。
我哋依家就一齊嚟睇下航空學院，親身感受下飛上雲霄嘅感覺。Griffith University 嘅航空課程係澳洲少數真係包晒飛行操作、航空管理甚至航空工程嘅課程。除咗可以親手試下飛行模擬器、學飛行技巧之外，課程仲會特別着重行業管理同埋航空法律，等學生將來唔單止可以做機師，仲可以入到航空公司做管理，或者喺航空界發展做專家。最勁嘅係 Griffith 嘅航空課程攞過唔少業界大獎㗎。學院仲有好多新型嘅教育設備，等學生可以喺安全環境下練習操作，實戰能力都會大大提升。咁樣學生未畢業之前就已經準備好晒，可以超有信心去迎接航空事業入邊嘅各種挑戰。
So we have a quite strong relationship with the local aviation industries. For example, the Brisbane airports, Gold Coast airports, and we also have the strong links with Qantas, Virgins, and some of the general aviation sectors within Australia. Those strong industrial link will help us to form our program. We have an industrial advisor board to review our program, to provide the suggestions, what kind of the trend the industry is going, so we'll be able to implement that need in our teaching and our course so that the students can be more job ready when they graduate.
Sophie 咧都試咗玩下呢個飛行模擬器，不過好快咧就已經 game over 啦。
Okay. Put your left hand over here, right hand here. Okay.
Too much. How should I do it?
Another one. There are a couple of things. We are one of the biggest programs in Australia, and we also have a very strong and a reputation in the industry. Well, our graduates, basically, putting another way, you can find our graduates in every aviation companies across Australia. So that is the strength. We have a very strong link, and we also have a very strong students' activities, and we're trying to deliver value over here. And we're also trying to help the students is to prepare the future challenge instead of just find a job tomorrow and 5 years later industry change and you don't have that capacity to dealing with the challenge. We have a very long history of Griffith Aviation. We're almost running this program about 50 years. It's one of the long-lasting program in Australia. And so it's a quite diverse background, and the students from all over the world be able to find something that be able to relate it, especially for the international students when they go back. If they decided to go back to their own countries to pursue a career, they will find some inspirations and something that be able to relate it. Because this is an Australia-based program, but we do have a very international view of this program.
而家我哋要去 Griffith 嘅另一個校區 Mount Gravatt 校區，離 Nathan 校區咧大概係需要7分鐘嘅車程。學校咧係有提供免費嘅 shuttle bus， 學生只係需要喺指定嘅巴士站等車咧，就可以來回兩個校區，用到兩邊嘅設施㗎啦。喺 Griffith University 教育學院唔單止係培養老師咁簡單，佢哋仲做緊好多重要嘅教育研究，例如係喺小朋友嘅發展、學習差異、教育公平、多元文化教育呢啲而家教育界比較關鍵嘅議題。我哋仲喺呢度咧發現咗一個特別嘅 corner， 展示咗一啲 Griffith University 教育學院一路走嚟嘅發展歷程。咁由最初成立到而家嘅規模同成就，都俾咗一個地方我哋去回顧佢哋嘅歷史，仲可以咧更加明白今日見到嘅專業同成果咧，其實都係佢哋幾十年不停咁耕耘同埋堅持去累積落嚟嘅。Griffith University 嘅圖書館咧，真係環境好好啊！非常之啱靜落嚟讀書、揾資料或者喺度寫下 report。除咗可以借書自修，呢度仲有電腦、影印機、打印機等等。基本上呢，日常要學習用到嘅工具呢，呢度都有㗎啦。 我哋咧仲發現咗一個好得意嘅 corner， 係專門為教育系學生準備嘅。唔單止有好多兒童嘅書啦，仲有好多教學玩具、教學器材同埋活動素材，好啱一啲準備緊做實習啦，或者走學前教育方向嘅同學去用嘅，簡直係一啲實習前嘅秘密武器啊！仲有 International Student Advisor 嘅辦公室，可以幫手處理一啲簽證嘅問題、課程嘅規劃、適應問題，甚至咧都會提供心理支援服務。對於啱啱嚟到澳洲嘅留學生嚟講，其實呢啲資源咧都非常之重要嘅。我哋覺得咧 Griffith University 嘅課程咧好適合一啲想做實習嘅同學，因為喺呢間學校咧基本上無論咩課程咧，佢哋同唔同嘅業界啦都有非常之緊密嘅合作。咁學生咧就可以把握呢啲機會去做實習。通過實習去累積一啲經驗，其實對之後踏入社會揾工作咧都有非常大嘅幫助。如果你對留學有咩問題，就記得揾我哋大地海外升學啦！記得 like、share 同埋 subscribe 我哋嘅 channel。我哋下集再見啦！
有海外升學問題，即刻 WhatsApp 大地啦！